A local court in Islamabad has sentenced human rights lawyer Iman Zainab Mizari and her husband, fellow advocate Hadi Ali Chatta, to a combined 17 years imprisonment, each in a high-profile case centered on their social media post. The verdict delivered by Additional District and Session Judge Mohammad Afzal Majoka has ignited significant controversy and debate over Pakistan's cybercrime laws and the boundaries of free speech. To understand the sentences, we need to look at the specific charges. The couple was convicted under three separate sections of Pakistan Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act (PICA) 2016. The court found them guilty of cyber terrorism, which carried a 10-year sentence, glorification of offence related to banned groups, which carried a 5-year sentence, and spreading false information, which added another 2 years. These prison terms are to run concurrently, meaning they will serve the longest single sentence, 10 years, not all 17 added altogether. They were also acquitted of a separate hate speech charge. So what exactly were they convicted for is, according to the detailed 22-page judgment, the prosecution successfully argued that Iman Mizari post on X, formerly Twitter, made between 2021 and 2025 and often shared by Hadi Chatta, aligned with the narratives of banned militant organization, namely the Balochistan Liberation Army and the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan (TTP). The court found that the tweets accused Pakistan state institutions, particularly the military and intelligence agencies, of being responsible for terrorism, enforced disappearances, and running torture cells. The judge stated this deliberately damaged public trust and amounted to glorify terrorist agendas. So the case concluded under unusual circumstances. During the final hearing, the couple, who were appearing via video link from jail where they are held in another case, boycotted the proceeding. Mizari alleged mistreatment in custody before she and Chatta left the virtual hearing. The judge proceeded to announce the previously reserved verdict without their further participation. Their defense has indicated they will appeal the convictions, and process that will likely see the case move to the Islamabad High Court in the coming weeks. So this verdict is being closely watched as a critical test case for PICA, a law long criticized by domestic and international human rights groups for being overly broad and used to stifle dissent, particularly against activists, journalists, and lawyers criticizing state policies. So the sentencing of two prominent advocates to a decade in prison for their social media commentary is expected to intensify the debate over digital rights and freedom of expression in Pakistan.